Campbell Machine Works is a family-owned business. We started 31 years ago, and we slowly grew. We've gone from about 1,000 square foot shop to 90,000. It grew up to we have 18 employees and 5 family members working in the shop. On our production end of things, where we're making mowers and we're making gondolas, we have mechanical bays. We also have fabrication bays, welding bays. We also have a full machine shop, paint shop, everything we need to produce what we've got to do or repair equipment as it comes in. We know vineyard, we know orchard, we know equipment. We don't waste our time on cheaper pieces of equipment, things like that. We invest in the Cadillac. Our mower line is probably the best in the world. So we take that philosophy of being the best. We have been jobbing out all of our laser, but those lead times were getting out there a little bit. We went out and we started researching the various companies out there. And of course, Mazak is at the top of the list. We brought the salesman in. It was a fantastic encounter as far as I'm concerned. He was very concerned with what we were going to cut, what in the future we were going to cut. They were extremely good about beginning to lead us through this journey of owning your first laser.
We purchased the OptiPlex Nexus, the 6 kilowatt. We were really drawn to that with its capability of cutting 1-inch mild steel because we do a lot of heavy duty plate, and so far it's been amazing. We make viticulture mowers, berm sweeps, trimmers, grape gondolas. All of those machines require 1/4-inch plate, 1/2-inch plate, 3/4, 7/8. 95% of everything that we're cutting is going straight onto a machine. And at first when I saw it go, it's just wow. I brought people over and I said, hey, check this out. Look how fast this thing cuts. My father wanted me to be laser operator and run the laser shop. I had never done G-code. I hadn't worked much on computers. I'd never had much experience at all. I was very apprehensive about doing everything, but Mazak brought me into Elgin and I did the training course in there. I felt 10 times better. Everything was so intuitive. The machine operating was not this, arduous task that I thought it was going to be. And now I'm here and I can nest and cut parts and adjust cut conditions, and the applications that this machine can be applied in, it's remarkable. The laser itself is just an incredible piece of equipment, but it's more so the customer support. And that sounds silly, but for someone that came in and didn't really know a lot, to have the resource like the Orange Support app, I went from knowing nothing to now feeling very confident in my skills.
They know what you need, and they're gonna work and get you to where you need to be to make this an efficient laser setup. The turnaround time has increased 10 times. I can have a part kicked out in 5 minutes versus 5 weeks. To get these parts in as quick as we need to has been just fantastic. I didn't want to run nitrogen. I wanted to run oxygen, which I have to, and I'd like to run high pressure air. Mazak's got a great system for running high pressure air, and they have all the cutting parameters to do most of our cutting on high pressure air. I'm saving a lot of money by doing this. This machine has run flawlessly for us. The quality is just unmatched, absolutely unmatched. We've actually tailored our sales pitch for our laser shop based around the Mazak quality of cut. It was important to us to develop a partnership with the person supplying this laser. Mazak supplied us with that kind of backbone, with that kind of backing. And for a first-time buyer, this is golden. You gotta have the partner, and Mazak is the right partner.